in America was a Bill Bailey.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Really? What was his, what did he, what was his crime?
I'm afraid I know no more about
Terrible dancing and a silly hat.
Moonwalking in a built-up area.
Did you know there's an animal that can moonwalk? It's a wonderful little bird called a mannequin bird. Do you want to see a mannequin bird?
Yes.
Yeah. Moonwalking. I think
please.
it will give you pleasure.
That's funnier.
Make this a night to remember.
Get ready.
Isn't it great? That is the loveliest bird. In very 70s yellow trousers.
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic.
And that's all it does.
Oh, yeah. It's a delight. You just have a programme of animals doing, like, 80s dances. There's some worms doing body popping, you know.
What's he doing? Is he trying to lure?
Attract a female.
Attract a female.
Colour and movement.
Here's the best one.
That's the one they like.
It's funnier every time.
It does. Let's hear it for the assured comedy stylings of the mannequin bird. There you go. Well done, mannequin bird. Well marked.